The Civil 3D home screen under the Start tab allows users to see recently accessed files and indicates the file location. The BIM360 tab shows the files associated with specific projects. Users can easily change projects stored on BIM360 by selecting the drop-down option and navigating to the files. Users can refresh the menu and view any updates to the project folder. Civil 3D provides a number of learning resources to users, including tooltips and videos that cover a variety of topics. This information can be accessed and viewed on demand. Additional online resources are also available on the home screen. Using the Save As function, users can add Civil 3D files to a BIM360 project. Through the Autodesk Desktop Connector app, users can connect to BIM360 and navigate to the desired project folder. The Desktop Connector will indicate the file status as files are uploaded and locked while in use. Once the file has been saved, the cloud icon will appear next to the file name. Users may also drag and drop files from their desktop into BIM360 using the web browser. As cloud-based files are open, users will see the BIM360 transfer window and the file becomes locked. Users can view the status in the folder menu. The lock icon indicates who is currently using the file. Users can also view the lock status in the BIM360 web browser.